The art of cooling down. After yoga, a guide to restoring balance and calm. Cooling down is more than just the conclusion to your yoga session. It's a sacred space to reconnect with your body and mind. Like the soft landing of a bird after flight, this gentle sequence eases you into stillness, releasing tension, fostering flexibility, and opening the door to deeper introspection. Post-yoga cooling down allows you to fully embody the peace cultivated during your practice, leaving you grounded, rejuvenated, and inspired. Think of cooling down as the bridge between activity and serenity. It provides immense physical and mental benefits that enhance your overall yoga experience. Relaxes muscles and releases tension. Gentle stretches eliminate residual tightness, melting away stiffness and soreness. Enhances flexibility. With warmth still coursing through your body from poses, you can safely deepen flexibility and mobility. Supports the nervous system. Slow, mindful breathing stimulates the parasympathetic rest and digest response, encouraging relaxation and reducing stress. Improves circulation and recovery. This phase restores oxygen flow and circulation, catalyzing the recovery process. Promotes mindfulness and centering. Cooling poses invite reflection, clarity, and a serene transition off your yoga mat and into the world. By crafting your practice with intention, post-yoga cooling down becomes an act of self-care. Here are 3 empowering sequences to meet your relaxation needs. Seated forward fold, Paschimottanasana. Extend your legs, inhale to lengthen your spine, exhale to fold forward, and release into stillness. This pose encourages your body to let go, connecting with breath and surrender. Bound angle pose, Baddha Konasana. Unite the soles of your feet, open your knees wide, and gently fold forward. This pose creates spaciousness in your hips and fosters deep inner calm. Happy baby pose, Ananda Balasana. Lie on your back, hold the edges of your feet, and draw your knees toward the floor. Feel the freedom and playful energy it brings to your lower back, hips, and spirit. Thread the needle pose. Cross one ankle over the opposite thigh and pull the leg toward your chest. This deeply nourishes the hips, releasing pent-up tightness. Child's pose, Balasana. Sink into this restorative fold, letting your spine elongate and your worries melt away like a stream finding stillness in a tranquil lake. Legs up the wall pose, Viparita Karani. Rest legs against the wall with your body grounded. Feel tension recede and peace cascade through you, preparing you for profound rest. Cat-cow stretch, Majjhariasana Vittalasana. Flow through the rhythm of arching and rounding your spine, harmonizing each movement with breath to rediscover lightness and flow. Supported fish pose, Matsyasana. Lie back on a block or blanket, letting it cradle your chest as your shoulders softly fall open. With each breath, feel your heart expand with gratitude and inspiration. Embrace the breath. Let each exhalation carry away tension, while each inhalation invites calm and renewal. Prioritize comfort. Gentle poses and props remind you that ease is just as transformative as effort. Stay present. See this moment as sacred, a gift to yourself to simply be. As you cool down, ask yourself, what wisdom does my body share with me now? Which pose brought the most stillness? By weaving consistent cooling down sequences into your practice, you'll discover not only a more flexible body, but also a deeper, more centered self. Prepare to leave your mat with a heart full of gratitude, carrying the gift of balance and inner calm into your daily life.